Grade 8th, Subject Physics, Chapter Force and Pressure, Module 1. Objectives. In this module, you will be able to define force, to identify that force is due to an interaction, to list the effects of force. In this picture, you can see that a man is pushing a box. And the opposite side, another one is pulling the same box. That means both are applying force. So what is force? A force is a push or pull. The unit of force is Newton and is represented by the letter N. Observe the picture. You can see that a man standing behind a stationary car. No interaction, no force acts on the car. In the second picture, the man pushing the car. Interaction occurs. A force acts on the car and makes it move. And in the third picture, you can see that two girls are interacting and applying force on each other by pushing each other. Then the next one, the man and cow are interacting by applying force on each other by pulling each other. So, we can identify from these pictures that force is due to an interaction. An interaction of one object with another object results in a force between the two objects. At least two objects must interact with each other for a force to come into play. Listen, here you can see that two persons are applying force in the same direction. So, when forces are applied in the same direction, they are added to determine the size of the net force. Net force means the total force. Here, 25 Newton plus 20 Newton equals 45 Newtons is the total force. Here, you can see that two animals are applying force in opposite direction. They are applying two unequal forces in opposite direction. So the net force will be equal to the difference between these two forces. If two equal forces are applied from opposite directions, the total force or the net force will be 0. That means the difference between these two forces will be 0. So, if two forces applied to an object act in the same direction, then the resultant force acting on the object is equal to the sum of the two forces. If two forces applied to an object in the opposite directions, then the net force acting on the object is equal to the difference between the two forces. If two forces applied on an object are equal in magnitude and act in opposite directions, then the net force acting on the object is 0. Let us explain about the effects of force. A force makes a stationary object move. A force can change the shape of an object. A force can stop a moving object. A force can increase the speed of a moving object. And a force can change the direction of a moving object. In this module, you have learned force is a push or a pull on an object by the other. Force is due to an interaction. The effects of force are to move an object, to stop an object, to change the direction of an object, to increase or decrease the speed of a moving object, to change the shape of an object.